Look at guys. This punching bag is very heavy. But if the low kicker kick, it will go away.
Start.
Guys, if your enemy is stronger than you and he has a lower kick, very strong kick, you should avoid to block this kick using your feet. Why? Because you might get injured, as what happened. This morning, I will show to you the 3 steps how to counter the lower kick. Okay, look at the step number 1.
Start.
Step number 1. Step number 1, you have to lift your leg to avoid the strong kick of your enemy. Look at guys.
Go.
Step number 2 guys, you need to slide back to avoid this strong kick. Yup! Guys, step number 3, how to counter the strong low kick of your enemy. Watch and learn. You idiot rascal! I will kick your ass! So those are the 3 steps how to counter attack the strong lower kick of your enemy. Please subscribe to our videos and channel. Bye bye.